Hi guys! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a really natural makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, please give it a like, comment and subscribe, and enjoy the video. First, I'm going to start off with primer. So I'm going to use this Makeup Revolution Glass Fix Spray and just spray it all over my face. Lovely. So next I'm going to use my Insta Famous foundation by Essence that they sent me, and this is in the shade 30. This is so hard. So I'm just going to keep blending that in all over my mouth, and now I'm going to go on to the other side. Just lovely coverage, getting that all over my face. Yeah, just using a bit more product, just getting the head area, getting the hair. This is really nicely covered on my face and my hair, and definitely my eyes. Okay, are we done? Yeah, no, we're not done. So next I'm going to be using concealer. This is going to be the HD NYX concealer, and I'm going to use a beauty blender. So just getting that now that my concealer's under my eyes, I'm just going to blend that in with a beauty blender. Just really getting that coverage. Oopsies, wrong eye. Other eye, just blending that in nicely to get rid of the bags under your eyes. Perfect. So next we're going to go in with Banana Dreams powder. This is by W7, and I'm using a big fluffy brush to brush it all over my face. Got to get that all over the face. Yep. Brushing that all in. Perfect, done. Now I'm using the ML bronzer. This is like a leopard print one, so it's really cool. And I'm just going to be popping that on my usual parts of my cheeks. Yep, just there. Blending that in nicely. And on the other side, just blending that in. Really bronzing up my face, because I do realise I'm looking a little pale at the moment. Getting a bit on my nose, bit of nose contour, and the other side of my nose, just to really snap. A bit on my headband, a bit on my headband, just to bronze that up a little bit, and on the head as a bit of contour. So right now, the face is looking very flawless and blended. Now, moving on to blush. This is the IT Cosmetics blush. Very rosy. As you can see, very rosy. Oopsies, can't remember what way to go. So now that we're all blushed up to the max, we're going to go on to highlight. So we're going to be using Jeffree Star and Manny MUA's Highlight in Eclipse. This is like a nice pinky one, and we're going to be blinding everybody with our highlight. So I'm just using this big brush just to get that highlight on. Glowing. Just popping that on the corners of my cheeks, you know. Very soft and gentle, as you can see. It's blinding everybody. Just going to pop a little bit on my nose, just to highlight the nose. Lovely. Next, I'm going to go in with brows. I'm not going to fill them in today. I'm just going to brush over them nicely, just so they're looking natural. Your head. Just so they're looking natural, we're just going to brush through them. This is the We Makeup brush pomade. Following the natural shape of my brow. A little bit more, I think. Perfect. Just like normal, looking natural. Not too much, so nice and natural. And I'm just going to do the same on the other side. Just follow the brow, nice and natural. Not too much. So you can basically barely notice it, really. So I think that's my eyebrows snatched. So next, I'm going to do my eyes. I'm not sure what I'm going to go for. I'm just going to go with it. Don't know what colour I'm going to go for. But I'm thinking maybe a little bit colourful. And not going to be any technique with it. So I think first I'm going to go in with a nice bright blue. I'm just going to put a blue on the outer corner of my eyes.
Where's the outer corner?
That's the outer side of my eyes.
There.
Do what you want.
There.
Do as you please, hon. So I'm just going to do that on the outer corner of my eyes. Or just all over my eyes, really, actually. So we just got a little bit of blue. Kind of cutting the crease already with it. It looks really nice. Got really bright blue. We're using the Morphe and James Charles palette. So we've got some really nice colours here. And it does say, unleash your inner artist. And that is exactly what I'm doing. Now we're going to go in with a shimmery blue. Just on the lids. Just really blending that in together. Really natural again. Just a bit more product on there to make the blue pop. Oopsies. Doesn't matter if you get a little bit on your eyebrow, it's all part of the look. They're looking really natural anyway, so you won't even notice. So now we're going to go in with eyeliner just to really wing out this look. Oopsies. Close your eyes when you're doing this, you don't want it in your eye. And we're just going to wing that right out. Lovely. Now this is what I usually go for. Just a simple wing. Again, going with a natural look. And we're going to move on to the other eye. And just pull that right, and just pull that right out like that. It doesn't matter if you go on the under eye instead and completely miss the eye. It's all part of the look. Does not matter. Now we're going to go in with mascara. I'm really excited for them. Oopsies, you always get a bit on your nose. I'm going to close my eyes for this part. Just because I don't want to get myself in the eye. I hope my wand is right there. Let's get this bit done a little bit quicker just because we don't enjoy this part overly. Oh, when you get the bottom of your skin, really scratches it. So, again, the natural look. Now I'm going in with Pixie, which is Morphe's lipstick, and it's just the mini one. This is like a nice nudie pink shade, really going with, you know, the natural look, just to finish it all off. This is a gloss. Not much is happening right now, I'm not sure why. It's like my hand is froze. Always good to overline the lips to give yourself a more of a natural plump lip. If you try your hardest to get it in your mouth, usually makes the effect a little bit better. So we're done. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoy this look. It's just a really natural kind of blue look, natural brows, natural lips. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications for my next videos. Ding! And I shall see you in my next one. Bye guys!